this lesson, I'm going to show you how to assemble your saxophone. First, open the case on the floor in front of you. Then you're going to take out your reed. You will place your reed in your mouth and let it soak. Next, you're going to reach into your case, pull out your neck strap, and slip it over your neck. Next, reach into your case and grab your mouthpiece with ligature attached, as well as your neck. You will take your mouthpiece and with a gentle twisting motion, secure it onto your neck. Once your mouthpiece and neck are assembled, take the reed out of your mouth and slip it onto your mouthpiece through the top of the ligature. Carefully line up your reed with the edges of the mouthpiece, and once you've lined up the reed, you can tighten down with the ligature, but not too tight. Just make sure it's snug. Next, you'll grab the body of the saxophone and you will attach the neck to the body, again with a gentle twisting motion. Make sure that this screw is loose before you try to put your neck on. Once your neck and your body are lined up, take that screw and tighten gently until you feel a little bit of resistance, and then stop. If you tighten it too much, it could break. Finally, take your neck strap and attach it to the neck strap hook on your saxophone, and you are ready to play.
Jazz Empowers is a nonprofit organization that starts and develops jazz programs in K-12 public schools. To help support more video lessons and our programs, you can donate at jazzempowers.org. Also, make sure to like this video and hit the button on the screen to subscribe to our channel.